welcome. Yes, Shabab. Now we are starting the chapter 2. The first article there is first order system. First order system. Have we heard this before, Shabab? First order? First order system? A lot of brothers are writing yes. So where we saw it? In practical. Very good. Very good. So that's very good. The brothers are mashallah remembering. So how we define the first order system, Shabab? How we define it? We take the input. This is our time axis T. This is input. This is output. Right, Shabab? So at time T1, we apply the input. Before it was here, we bring it to here from position A to B. What type of input is this, Shabab? What type of input is this? A lot of brothers, they are saying some different things, but its name is step input. Step. If you guys remember, we explain it. Step input. In practical, we explain it. And the output comes like this. The output comes like smooth like this. Smooth and gradual. And reach to steady state. Steady state. The system, what we say, first order system. What we say, Shabab? Shabab with me? Lot of brothers, they are writing. Shabab, say something, say. Is it everybody with me or sleeping? That's good. Minimum one brother is replying. That's good. No, a lot of brothers, they are writing, mashallah. Can you guys give me some example for this first order system? Yes, Shabab. Please give me some example.
AC condition.
On off of light. Okay. Any other example, Shabab? Any other example, Shabab?
AC condition.
What about the rooftop tank? Is it first order? The filling of the rooftop tank? Yes, Shabab. Is it first order? Filling of the benzene tank, some brother is writing. Take this tank, rooftop tank. So the water is coming. The water is coming and it is increasing gradually. First here, this PV1, PV2, PV3, PV4, and so on. Is it coming gradually or all of a sudden?
Yes, yes, teacher.
Gradually and smoothly. So we apply the input. the water is coming and the level is increasing gradually and smoothly. So somehow if somebody close the pump, you know, and on it again, maybe then it is not first order. What about the capacitor, Shabab? Charging of capacitor. You guys remember the charging of capacitor?
No, I don't know.
Don't
Yes,
remember the
yes, yes.
capacitor? No, brother, they are writing yes. You guys remember the capacitor, right?
Yes.
The capacitor instrument one, teacher.
Yes.
Yes,
Capacitor
I
is in
know.
one. This was the capacitor. To charge the capacitor, again it is first order. Right, Shiva? The charging of the capacitor, you will see the same waveform you will see, the charging of the capacitor. Lot of brother, they are writing the message, yes. So, mashallah, lot of brother, they remember and they see it. Now, if the input is like step, this input, and this is the output, gradual and smooth, going to steady state. What is the name of this system? First order system. If, for example, system start oscillating here, Shabab, it start oscillating like this. Is it first order anymore? No, it is not first order. Maybe second order, maybe whatever order, third order, but it is not first order. Right, Shabab? So if it is start oscillating even more, so it is no more first order. For the first order, it should be gradual and smooth, like this. Shabab with me? Lot of brothers there, mashallah, sending the messages. So that's good. Any question up to here, Shabab? That's good. That's good. So is it first order FLPDT? What was the FLPDT, Shabab? Somebody remember, Shabab? First order lag plus dead time. FOLPDT. Have you guys heard this word before, Shabab? FOLPDT. Shabab with me? Shabab with me? Okay, that's good. MashaAllah, a lot of brothers, they are writing yes. So, is it FOLPDT? You guys have heard FOLPDT? A lot of brothers, they are saying in practical. Yes, that's good. That's good. Is this system is FOLPDT? This input and output is FOLPDT, Shabab?
I think yes.
Think again, please. That time, where is that time here? Where is that time? Where is the dead time?
Time, teacher.
Yeah, where is the dead time here?
The time of the change of the constant, teacher.
Here
T2
the
minus T1.
input and output are starting at the same time. So here there is no dead time.
0.
So how we will make the dead time here?
And I can. This is 0, teacher.
T1, the output will start at T2. Right, Shabab? No, it is FOLPDT. Shabab with me? No, it is
Yes, yes, we do.
FOLPDT. So Again, we need to define the characteristics. How many characteristics are there, Shiva, for FLOPDT? Yes, Shiva, how many characteristics? What is the first one? The first characteristics of FLPDT, Shiva. First order lag plus dead time. So, once again, if it is the output is starting increasing gradually, going to steady state, it is first order. Why we say lag? What is the meaning of lag, Shabab, here? Lag is what? Yeah, Shabab.
Again, question.
You're sleeping. The output is after input. The output, see the output. Output is after input. Input is before and output comes after input. That is the lag. So output is lagging behind the input. The output is lagging behind the input. Right, stop? Shiva with me? So that's what is lagging. What is the dead time? So lagging is done. What is dead time, Shiva? Dead time mean what? Dead time mean what, Shiva?
T2 minus T1.
T2 minus T1. T2, T1. T1 is the time when we apply the input. We apply this input at T1 and T2 is the time when output appears.
Yeah.
Right, Shiva? So this is the dead time. So lag mean output will start after the input. And the dead time mean the output will start after a time delay. Then the output will start. That is what dead time.
Teacher, before, can you repeat lag, teacher, because I have bad connection today, teacher. Can you repeat the lag? What's the mean the lag, teacher?
Sorry?
Can you repeat lag, teacher? What's the mean the lag? I want to write my book.
Meaning of what?
Of lag.
Lag means, see, we apply the input. We apply the input, right?
Yes.
And output is coming after a delay time. There is a delay T2 minus T1. This time the output start. So
Yeah.
output is lagging behind the input. Input is leading, output is lagging.
Okay.
Any other brother has question, please ask. Okay, now we're gonna start with Shabab game. So this is, it was at place P. We bring